SD-WAN stands for Software-Defined Wide Area Network. It's a technology that simplifies the management and operation of a WAN by decoupling the networking hardware from its control mechanism. Think of it as a smarter, more adaptable way to route traffic across your network. Traditionally, WANs relied heavily on expensive MPLS circuits to ensure reliability. SD-WAN changes this by using cheaper internet circuits while maintaining high performance through intelligent routing and optimization. Centralized control. At the heart of SD-WAN is centralized management. This control plane allows network administrators to define policies, monitor performance, and deploy configurations across all locations from a single interface. Dynamic path selection. SD-WAN continuously monitors network conditions and dynamically selects the best path for traffic. Whether it's MPLS, broadband, or 4G/5G, the system ensures optimal performance for each application. Application-aware routing. Unlike traditional WANs, South Dakota WAN is application-aware. It prioritizes traffic based on the needs of applications. For example, critical apps like video conferencing get higher priority over bulk file transfers, enhanced security. SD-WAN incorporates advanced security features like end-to-end encryption, segmentation, and integration with cloud-based security platforms to protect data across all connections. Cloud integration. With the rise of cloud services, South Dakota WAN is designed to provide seamless access to applications hosted in public and private clouds, ensuring a better user experience. Edge devices. Each site in an SD-WAN network has an edge device or router. These devices connect to various transport networks such as MPLS, broadband, or LTE. Overlay network. SD-WAN creates a virtual overlay network on top of physical connections. This abstraction allows for centralized policy enforcement and traffic engineering. Centralized controller. The centralized controller communicates with edge devices to define routing policies, monitor traffic, and ensure security compliance. Dynamic path selection. As traffic flows, South Dakota WAN continuously evaluates paths for latency, packet loss, and jitter. It reroutes traffic in real time to maintain optimal performance. Traffic segmentation. SD-WAN can segment traffic by application type, user group, or security requirements, ensuring isolation and improved security. Let's dive into the benefits of SD-WAN, shall we? First off, cost savings. SD-WAN reduces dependency on those expensive MPLS circuits by utilizing broadband and other cost-effective options. This can really help businesses save quite a bit of money. Next, we have improved performance. SD-WAN ensures that critical applications always perform well, even during network congestion. So, no more worrying about slowdowns during peak times. Scalability is another big advantage. With SD-WAN, you can easily add new sites or users without having to overhaul the entire network. It's pretty seamless, really. Then there's enhanced security. SD-WAN comes with built-in security features that protect data across the WAN. This means your data stays safe and secure. And finally, cloud optimization. SD-WAN provides direct access to cloud applications, reducing latency and improving overall efficiency. So, those are some of the key benefits of SD-WAN. Pretty impressive, right? While SD-WAN offers many advantages, it's not without challenges. These include deployment complexity, initial setup, and integration with existing systems can be tricky. Vendor lock-in. Choosing the right vendor is crucial to avoid being tied to proprietary solutions. Ongoing management requires continuous monitoring to ensure policies and performance are aligned. Let's consider a company with offices in New York, London, and Mumbai. Traditionally, they'd use MPLS circuits to connect these sites, which are expensive and limited in flexibility. By deploying SD-WAN, the company leverages local broadband connections, uses dynamic path selection to route traffic efficiently, prioritizes business-critical applications like VoIP and ERP systems, reduces costs while maintaining high performance and security. SD-WAN is transforming how businesses manage their wide area networks, enabling them to reduce costs, improve performance, and embrace the cloud with confidence. Whether you're a network engineer or a business leader, understanding SD-WAN is essential in today's connected world.